How's it going, guys? We got Joaquin here. He is the new proud owner of this pond. Tell me a little bit about this experience and how you like it.
I'm loving everything about it. I'm telling you, this is just a peace of mind for my wife and I. And I guarantee you, if you want a peace of mind and just a little bit of enjoyment in your life, hire Hiner. I promise you, you won't be let down. They're professional, they're proficient, they're fast working, and they're friendly. That's the biggest thing. You can actually talk to the fellas. So, hey, I honestly recommend you hire Hiner if you want a peace of mind out here.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
One, two, three. Good morning, guys. How are you? This is Omar with Hiner Outdoor Living. We are starting a small project, a small pond. So we are going to start mobilizing all the equipment and everything over here, over there. So we're gonna give you. So we're gonna show you from beginning to end how this pond is gonna look. It's gonna look great. So stay tuned. Alright, ready to go. We're doing some excavation right now. It's not a big pond, but still it's gonna give a beautiful sound that this backyard deserves. So, you know, it's gonna look really cool as well. So unfortunately we found a culvert right in the middle of our pond. So we're gonna do a slight modification here. Still gonna look great. And we are almost done to the last depth, which we gotta go at least 30 inches deep in this pond, enough for the koi fish to live. She wants some koi, so we're gonna give him that depth specifically for the koi to live. So we have this culvert pipe over here. It's not exactly in the middle, but it definitely, we have to get rid of some shells we have in here. So we're gonna go vertical all the way down in order to get the depth that we need. This is gonna be the entrance to the waterfall. This is our Waterfalls. It's gonna start off right here. We're gonna have a little berm behind it so we can hold this soil. Waterfall is gonna start off here. It's gonna fall into here. Probably gonna have another one over here, and the last one is gonna be somewhere over here. That's gonna enter the pond. So we're gonna have at least 3 waterfalls. It's gonna give us the desired sound that we need. All right, so we're gonna keep digging over here, digging our desired depth that we have here. Then we're gonna lay our underlayment, liner, and we're gonna set our biofall here. So this is gonna look incredible. We gotta finish this probably tomorrow, hopefully. Kind of double checking water level since we are a little higher over here, so we gotta make sure the art shell is deep enough so it doesn't pop out of the water. So this is water level right now. We need to just shaved off a little bit of this in here because this right now is a little too high over here. It looks like it's level, but once you run the real level, now your eyes, it will tell you the truth. So we have our liner in place, we have our underlayment, Now we just need to figure out a way to bring the machinery in, and then we'll start swinging some boulders in. We're gonna try to hook up this skimmer right now while the guys are trying to clear out the rock in the front so we can bring our machinery in. So that's what we're gonna work on right now. See how it goes. Alright guys, we have a lot of rock work already done. Our first waterfall starting to take shape. This is the most exciting part. You know, all this is so cool and everything, but the waterfalls are the tricky part, are the nicest part, and are the part that I'm excited about. So that one is starting to take shape. We got some age treatment we gotta do here. The skimmer is in place, pump is already in. I'm already starting to work on some of the edge treatment on this side. So once we have all that wrapped up, it's gonna start taking shape. Adding a little bit of foam here because we have a gap between this boulder and our face plate in here that I need to fill up. So I don't have something big enough that it will fit just perfect here. So I am just putting together a bunch of little ones, and when you put little rocks, you gotta hold them together with foam, otherwise they're just gonna fall off. So that's what we're doing here right now. That's why the foam. That's why we need the foam. So we got this piece because since we're gonna bring our boulders right next to it here, it's just gonna be on our way. We don't need this to be our first waterfall. Our first waterfall is gonna be made of actual stone. So stone.
How's it going, guys? Marshall with Hiner Outdoor Living, and I am at the latest project Omar and his crew finished. Turned out amazing. What we have behind me is our entry-level koi pond. What that means is it's the pond that we start at with going 30 inches deep, so the koi are able to winterize over. We do have koi ponds that go a little bit more shallow, but this is our entry-level koi, and there's also an additional stream length added to this, about 5 to 6 feet. So what this is it's a 8 by 11, 7 by 10 pond, 30 inches deep, the 5-foot stream, and Omar did this absolutely justice. So this water feature has it all. It has the 30 inches depth for koi. It has a couple areas for aquatic plants. The stream looks amazing, capturing all the views from the house and the deck, really transforming this space. Homeowners love it. They couldn't even wait 3 days before they came to our retail store to get aquatic plants to furnish it. And next thing is they're gonna come and get some of their fin friends after that ecosystem has been established for a little bit. So let's go ahead, check out what Omar did, and thank you for tuning in. And I love giving you this because it's my favorite part. Transforming a house to a home with the awesome water feature.
That's what it
Can't
is.
wait till you guys get to enjoy this for the years to come with the fish that you're gonna get, and it'll draw you out here. So
I'm already drunk.
yeah, no, that's awesome. Well, hey, thank you for that. Appreciate it, and you guys have been great to work with.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah.